Honestly, the market is in such a terrible position. I want to show you this chart here, which tells us everything we need to know. It's called the Bitcoin Aggregated Open Interest Chart. And if you can read candles, this chart is literally everything you'll ever need. You can draw so much information from it, such as on these candles, when the price is rising, you can see that actually liquidity is falling and yet price is rising. Why is liquidity falling and price rising? That's because longs are taking profit. So longs take profit at the top here, and then they get immediately forced out if they didn't close because liquidity drops and the price drops. So we can see people took profit, but that profit taking quickly turned into a panic dump because, as I always say, futures doesn't do market direction. Futures does reactionary trades that are triggered by spot markets. So then the liquidity drops off and then it starts rising again. But what I would say is, in the Chart Advantage Telegram today, I posted this chart in great detail. It tells you so much information. In fact, that's all the other stuff that I posted. But if you look on here, I also explain in all of the text what it means. So go give it a read. One of the biggest core points that you can see on the Bitcoin Aggregated Open Interest Chart, because it gives you an idea of where you are in the market, you can see down here the price is $61,265. And yet you can see liquidity, if you went all the way along, is exactly the same amount of liquidity we are now. So the market is pricing the price of Bitcoin higher than the liquidity should suggest, being that we have the same liquidity that we had when it was at $61,200. So the market is basically overpricing Bitcoin right now.